아저씨.
Yeah.
한복.
Nice, very nice. Very nice.
She speaks? She speaks?
Yeah, a little bit. They laugh. Oh, nice. Picture time. Huh? Picture time.
It's water, right?
Yeah.
Whoa.
You guys want to order?
Be careful.
Thank you. I want that. I'm gonna ask the call.
Oh, this is beef. Pork.
감사합니다. I want to say something.
Wow.
I cannot pay, to be honest. She said that once you pay later, tell them.
Oh, sipon.
Why so happy? What's the salad? Spicy? Okay, just like it. Salad, yeah, I know. We do have it in Chennai. So I live in Chennai before I used to go to this restaurant. This lady. Why nobody has a boyfriend? Maybe a little bit. A little bit.
Should we cut? We have to, like, yeah, separate like that. Yeah. Alright. Should I cut? What should I drink? I'm gonna try this. A portion. So,
13,500.
that's cool.
It's okay?
Yeah. Hello guys, I made these.
What is this now?
What happened
Terms of what is this consent to all?
nowadays? Cause
Really bad?
yeah, because I haven't concerned about my weight. Meow meow meow. Oh my god, don't run here. I'm trying to avoid.
You want me to take a video for you?
It's okay.
Vlogger. Look at you.
It's so good. Yo, ito yung power. Guys, I'm in South Korea right now. So the time right now is 7 in the morning, 7:30 in the morning. So I'm gonna be getting ready. I've done my makeup
almost done, but I need to apply some lipstick because I really want to see with you guys. This lipstick is from Rome and the color is fantastic. Can you see the color? My goodness, I love this color. So I'm gonna apply some lipstick. So this is my feet for today. It's quite comfortable and cute at the same time. Hi guys, welcome back to Karina Diaries vlog. It's been a while. You can start today.
창경궁, 경복궁, 창덕궁, 창경궁, 운영궁, 경희궁,
네.
그다음 또 하나 뭐더라? only 6.
Six.
Six what?
Palace, six palace.
Six palace. Oh.
아저씨,
야,
한복?
한복,
예,
야,
한복.
한복 입으면
음.
원래 궁 money no only free pass.
What is it?
only free pass.
Free
패스.
free pass?
야, no,
아, 네. 알았어요, 알았어요.
no ticket.
네, 네.
야,
아,
you know?
음. I want to say that where can we get this hanbok?
From
Rent.
where? From where to
Yeah.
get? Yeah, you can ask.
그러면은
You use your skills to.
여기 한 바퀴 이렇게 돌아. 요 이렇게 돌아가지고 여기 포지션 스톱. 요 드라이브. 아이 코리아 people no problem. no minus.
Can we check this first?
I cannot decide, to be honest. What about this question for?
This will be around 25,000. See, it's there.
I'll ask from her which one.
First, I'm gonna wear this one. Guys, I am back. Ngasisu olive yanda changeba ise. Poche khara man akhoi di ai ge chapminambado. Adugi poche khara yenge mana changeba. Aduga ai gisu ise. Aise makeup uyade ba khangba. Makeup uyada bini ba ise. Adugi ni ba nangbo. Ado aina leite kaino yenge ko. So sina eye drop. Sina collagen do. Mi take na ba take na ba ni basisi. Ahadi ba take na ba do sisina. And then sisina makhala sana amoba tingna ba egyo cream blush. Oh my god, this is so pretty, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, no. Sanggong. Saka sana ba? So, yung tuko ko na yung karam noodles, makal, curry paste. I got some kimbap seed. Kimbap seed na ba ito? Sila soup chana ba? I love seaweed soup chana ba? Adugo siya. Kaya lahat ba chana ba? Adugo first and most important thing. Kimchi leletre. Okay. Sila kimbap tahap na ba? Ay kimbap siyang ba niya? Look at this guy. This is a sauce for barbecue gumba chara, chicken gumba chaba ko. Sana nga chana ba? Ito ba seed what is called? What is this called? I forgot. Sesame seed. Sige, kano siya mga macha layam ko. Sisu isla ay sauce yung lay sanggom magalay sisina yogurt type sanggom uduni aduga chicken powder haida any nang kang gumbada yen thak do chicken mahau leina ba ko dum thak pa yare amasulai sala duga ay oyster sauce tibune ba oyster sauce sida ma layam ba Mujhe lemda bumta lemda. Aya kimchi de lai yene ji yengi ba ko. Aduga kimchi de am packet ke am piaga mayam mong ta da ba o ba aduga ina lek tumni. Season sesame oil. Sida sinugami ni kang galay. Season radish pickle do koreagi. Kimbap sim with the half pint of it. I am the kimbap sim never get late matani. I kimbap kaya ang tired. I wouldn't pungan mo the neba. Flight here. Tama toila. Tum dream day tomorrow. Bye.